love gowns? Then here's a new type of gown you're going to love. Hi all, welcome back to Hamstick Online Courses. I am Megha and I'm here to guide you through this course. We are going to learn how to make a gown with gathers. In today's session, we'll learn to draft the pattern and cut the fabric. Let's have a look at the materials we'll need for drafting. Let's have a look at the materials we need for drafting. L scale and hip curve, grading scale, French curve, brown sheet, measuring tape, scissors, basic stationery, small scale, paper glue, markers. We are going to begin by drafting the front of our bodies. First, take a brown sheet and spread it on the table evenly. Draw horizontal and vertical guidelines using a L scale. Now join at point 0 on the top left corner. Measure the body's length of 14 inches from 0 and mark point 1. From 0, measure 6.3 inches for the arm side depth and mark point 2. Extend point 2 using a L scale and measure 9.25 inches from 2 and mark point 3. Extend point 1 using L scale. Now measure 9.5 inches and mark point 4 for the waist round. From 0, measure 7 inches and mark point 5. This is a half of the shoulder. Square down from point 5 to the line 2 and 3 and mark point 6. Find midpoint of 5 and 6 and mark it as 7. From point 5, go 0.5 inch downwards and mark 5A. Go diagonally 1 inch from point 6 to get point 6A. From 6A and 7, go 0.5 inch inwards and mark point 6B and 7A. From point 5, go 2 inches towards point 0 to get point A. This is the shoulder width. From 0, go 3.5 inches towards point A and mark it as point 9. This is for the front neck depth. Join 5A to 8 for the shoulder line and from 8 to 9 for the front neckline using French curve. Join the back armhole 5A to 3A using a French curve. If you want your bodies with sleeves, you can make an armhole to 3. Here we are joining to point 3A as we have no sleeves. measuring 2 inches from point 0 to mark point 9. This is for the back neck depth. Join 5A to 8 for the shoulder line and from 8 to 9 for the back neckline using a French curve. Measure 3.4 inch as half of the bust span from point 1 and mark point 10. Then square up the point using L scale. Measure 4 inches from 10 for the dart and 0.5 inch on either side to get points 11, 10A and 10B. Join 11 to 10A and 11 to 10B. The cutting points of back draft are 9, 8, 5A, 3A, 4, 10B, 10, 10A, 1, 9. Label the draft. The back drafted pattern is ready. Now for the final part of our drafting section, let's draft the gathers. Take a piece of brown sheet. Here I'm going to show the measurements in a smaller scale. Draw a vertical line of the flare length of the garment, that is, full length minus body's length. Measure the width as waist round plus ease into 3 for the gathers as shown. Label the pattern. The paper pattern for the gathers is ready. We finished the drafting required to make this gown. Let's move on to the second part of the session where we will cut the fabric for the gown. Let's have a quick look at the materials required. Scale, tracing wheel, marking chalk, measuring tape, carbon sheet, beaded pins, fabric scissors, brocade silk fabric for bodies and its cotton lining 1 meter, georgette fabric for gathers and its crepe lining 2.5 meters. Paper fusing, Take the cotton lining fabric and fold it into half along the lengthwise grain. Place the body's pattern as shown and secure it using beaded pins. Mark the seam lines using marking chalk. Mark the seam allowance of 0.5 inch around the waistline and the shoulder. .25 around the neckline, the armhole and the princess lines. And 2 inches at the side seam. Using fabric scissors, cut on the seam allowances. Trace the seam lines and dart using carbon paper and a tracing wheel. brocade fabric and place the lining patterns on it. Secure it using beaded pins. Cut the main fabric and make sure to give an allowance of 0.5 inch more at the side seam. Remove the back pattern and the front center panel and cut the fusing for the necklines of 1 inch width as I am doing here. Use an iron to attach the fusing for the lining fabric on the right side. Take the leftover lining fabric and cut the bias strips of 1 inch width for the armhole round finishing. take the georgette fabric for the gathers and spread it on the table. Measure the width of 93 inches of the fabric for the gathers. We got this measurement by using the formula for waist round measurement plus 2 inches of ease into 3. The length of the fabric is 42 inches. Here the width of the fabric is folded 4 times. This is of length 23.25 inches. For the length of the fabric, I am taking 4 inches extra for the hemline folding. You can choose how much allowance you want to leave for this part. Cut the same for the crepe lining as the gather's main fabric. That brings us to the end of this session. We now have all the pieces ready for the gown. In the next video, we'll sew them together. Keep practicing, keep perfecting. If you have any questions, you can reach out to us at Hamstick Online Courses. Building skills, building you.